Just getting my thumbnail. Okay, the thumbnail looks a lot better. Okay, it broke. I still need to add lotion. Today I will be making some. So first, I'm not making that much because like I only have like that much color. I don't know if you can see. There's barely any. So I'm just gonna add in the whole rest of the bottle. There's barely even any. Like I don't think any is really even gonna come out. 'Cause, you know, like I barely even have any. Like if you're making fluffy, just make sure. I'm just calling it whipped cream, shaving cream. And then if like you want it darker, like add some more. But if you think like it's good, keep it. Wow, I like it. Maybe like one more drop. Hey guys. Maybe a rush. So you don't even know what I'm talking about. Then after that, it's more stirs. So like mix for a little and make a pretty big slime. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Shut up. Well, winner, winner, bacon dinner. Yeah, he doesn't get anything. He's not going to be successful. So then, if you have contact solution, use that. But if you don't, use borax and water. And remember with the contact solution, add a little at a time or else it won't like be good slime. Mine's already starting to form. And remember, also for the borax, a little goes a long way, so don't add a lot. Same with the shaving cream. Don't add a lot or else like it won't form. Like if you have just like a little bit, and then once it starts to form, it'll start to stick to the spatula for a little. I made it out of it. Too much borax and water to the cup. Not this one, the other one. Yes, it's forming. It's forming. I love this. I actually really good. I'm using a spatula. And then you should go in with your hands once it's like not that sticky or it isn't sticky. You should go in with your hands and start kneading it. And like then your slime will actually like kind of will start to form. Sometimes whenever you make slime, it usually will be stretchy. For some reason, whenever I make slime, it's never stretchy. Like the more stuff that you clean that actually needs cleaned, like if there's slime stuck on it, you do it because you have more slime. But if you don't want more slime, obviously don't do it. Fable! There's a Fable here. Earlier there's a Typhlosion. Yeah, and then like a week ago, there was a Lapras and Venusaur in the same day. Oh, I like it. And if it's like not stretchy and you want it stretchy, they can't see and no, they don't care. They don't live here. And you'll usually have to add lotion. I mean, I will after the video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I'm gonna go get that coffee bag. Oh, come on. Hey. And I'll start making videos a lot. I remember. And I am doing a showing all my slime video soon. Like, it's gonna come out before next week. If I can get it done. I'm probably gonna go record it like right after this video. Or maybe right after it uploads because like YouTubers have to wait for it to upload. Okay, so I already said if you like this video, go to the thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's almost Halloween, so like in like a couple of videos, you will see me decorating in time lapse. We went to the dollar store and they have a bunch of awesome items. I was about to sneeze. Literally, tears were coming out of my eyes. This is Mannequin Challenge. I'm gonna have the music. And you're probably not seeing this part of the video.
Well, I need to go around the house because
That's awesome. I love it. You probably can't see the real color because I kind of messed it up. You need lighting?
Molly! Molly!
Bye!